Hello, my dear viewers and subscribers. Enjoy the nice sunset. It's not that pretty today, but it's okay. Sometimes we really have a beautiful sunset. Some other days, so pretty. But today, I miss the sunset. But enjoy it anyway. I'm just out for a little while. I love to sit right there. That bench over there, I don't know if you can see it. That bench, I love to sit there. In the morning, it's so nice to sit there. Another bench, I love to sit there too and look at the view. I stopped by the waterfall just to relax and reflect before I'll go to bed. So once again, enjoy the rushing water. I'm taking a short walk to refresh, and stopping here makes me more refreshed. So enjoy, guys. I definitely love to hang out here. Look at the beautiful flowers by the waterfall.